A while back, I was pretty into getting my hands on a two-stroke, and a chum of mine was nice enough to donate to me this Homelite chainsaw. He says it's a 70cc model, 770 I believe, and I was going to save it till winter when things get pretty cold around here and the nights get pretty long and start tearing into it, but I'm getting pretty bored of late myself. Things are cooling off and all I really want to do is jump on the cart and go. It's about 2 hours from me right now, so I thought I'd post this up before I start tearing it apart. I did take off this one cover though, and found there's something I recognize already. Tolson carburetor right there. So there's a point of familiarity, and you know, pull all the covers and the tanks and all the extraneous parts off and see what it's all about. Thanks, Jim, for the donation.